Hello everybody, Aston here. I hope you guys are doing well, having a great day or a great night. And before jumping to the charts, don't forget to smash the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe as well. Let's do it. So, Aston Martin is the first time I'm going to chart Aston. And yeah, so bigger picture first. Let's take a look first on volume. Let me see here. Okay, so by the summer pivot, we had a bullish attempt, rejected, bad candle, but right after we still have some bullish attempt. We still have 20 days to go, so we can catch up in volume. This is great to see the bulls charging here. Now let's take a look on OBV. Won't be clear on the monthly, so let's go to the weekly. Let's see what we have here. So we had a bullish divergence right here for this guy here, and so far there is more. Let me see, just a second. Yeah, so here we made somewhat a bottom, but the right wing is still way higher above the previous low. Okay, and interesting thing here is we don't have a inverted head and shoulder setup, but maybe they can do it. Okay, if they are able to make to this range right here around 80 80 80, it is possible to see a catch up. And let me see, just a second, we are going to take a look on the proper levels. So just for the sake of this example, the outcome from a bullish structure here is going to be on the 50% average for the previous bearish structure, okay, which would be something like this, okay, if this plays out. Now back to the monthly. Take a look on the candles. Yeah, so there is an interesting thing here. If I use my methodology, I believe it's fair to call the top the battle of midway and the bottom structure. Okay, so it is possible, but we need more technical evidence, right? But it is nice to see this structure here playing like this, because we must acknowledge all the tails and the rejection. So this is way bullish. And now let's take a look on my tool. Oh, this is fantastic. Oh boy. And then I ask you, is this accurate? So let me see here. We are going to have a pit stop level around 73.55 before we can continue. Let me see. 89. Yes, 89 is going to be another key level, the next one. And like I said, if that structure plays out, we will stop right here around 144. Yeah, so let's keep going. Just a second. Let's go for the 3 days. Okay, so we have something interesting here. This was our bearish continuation pattern. I should properly address, yes. So these are bearish continuation pattern that gave us a bearish outcome, no news. But this one right here, let me see just a second. Just a second, folks, please. Okay, so on this attempt right here, This was a strong attempt from the bulls. And the key point here is they made a trigger for the golden, which is amazing news. And okay, so it is more clear here than it was on the monthly and the weekly. And we have a potential bullish pattern here. Let me show you. Just a second. Hold your hats, pull your jets. We are almost there. Yeah. So this is, in my humble opinion, this is a bullish continuation pattern. And now let's take a different approach here. Yes. So we are still trading. Let me see. So we are still trading above the 50%, which is the average price for this range, which is fantastic. And it is possible to see a straight bull break like this, okay? But actually the target is going to be way up around this range right here. Yeah, which is going to take out the previous highs, okay? And yeah, so the question is, actually I'm late for this trade. I should made this video a few days ago, but okay. So we can look for a behavior like this, or we can hope for another visit to the 50, and this is going to be the big deal. Okay, it's somewhat unlikely, not sure, because like I said, I'm late for this one, but it's looking fantastic. Okay, and I am almost 100% sure this is going to end up in a bull break. Yes, let's go for the daily. Yeah, so this is our bullish setup. Let's take a look again. Fibonacci, please. Because Fibonacci is life, right? So bring my tool. Yes, yes, amazing. So folks, so this if go back to 57 or 55, this is it. Okay, my humble opinion, based on my research, my work, and as you guys know, I am also a trader. And yes, so it's looking great, fantastic. Let me take out this one. So for this one, we need a better plan because, like I said, we have the three white knights here, which is a bullish candlestick pattern. And let's see how this is going to play out for Monday, right? Yes, yes. I had to chase this one out. Second, let's take a look on the 4 hours if we can find more clues. Let me see. So we had a small rejection followed by inside trade and up another rejection, shooting star, indecision candle trading below. This kind of behavior, folks, can be the chances for the pullback, or this can be bear trap, bullish continuation. But the thing here is we are still trading below the 50% average for this range, which means so far right now there is no odds for a straight bull break, but it can happen on the Monday. Okay, so we are very close. We have to watch this one, and yeah, stay tuned to see how this is going to play out. Again, revisit at 57, 55. Sorry, I mean, or even a smaller one. I mean as well. Maybe sideways here it's unlikely because due to the kind of rejection we have, if we look on the shorter time frames, let's take a look. So this is bearish. Okay, there is nothing bullish here. Perhaps this is the best evidence that we have for a small move down before making the big one, and this is going to be amazing. So it's a descending pattern, as you guys can see here, crystal clear, but it's dangerous because this still can break bullish. Okay, this pattern right here that I draw is just to address what is here, but so far it's speculation. Okay, because we don't have a 30 touch on the upside line. So let's watch, let's see how this is going to play out. But yeah, it's looking fantastic. People who are still bearish are probably going to see price going up against their bear bias. So folks, for now this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this analysis can help you the way you look at the charts, the way you read the charts. And yeah, so don't forget to smash the like button, share with your friends, and subscribe as well. Have a great day or a great night. See ya.